Sometimes the Father does not even recognize you anymore. Look at this, who have grown in the Spirit, like Sister Ingrid, like Sister Teng, like the ministers. Sometimes I don't even recognize them anymore. Or I don't even realize that they are here. I don't even mention their name anymore. I don't even meet them when they come. But are they disappointed? Are they crying because I did not meet them? Are these who are sent abroad crying? They are there, in the US, in Canada, all over Europe, all over Asia. They are on the road every day of their lives. Many of them are in the pastoral ministry, but they are there every day, facing the devil every day, conquering every territory every day. They don't even see me. But are they crying and they're saying, I'm sorrowful, I'm sad, I want Pastor, I want to see him. I've not heard them say that because they are focused on the Father's will. They are not focused on their feelings. What they want is not important. What they like is not important. What the Father wants, what the Father likes through the appointed Son is what is important to them. That is spiritual growth at its height, being engaged in the Father's will every day.